What's going on YouTube? Today we're here to look at the Spigen Ultra Hybrid. This is for the iPhone 13 Pro Max. Let's take a look. So we have this Spigen case here, and this is a really nice case. This is a crystal clear case, and it's really going to show off how beautiful this phone is with all the colors and everything. So this case does come in several different colors, but I got the crystal clear. And this is for the 6.7 inch display, and this is for the Pro Max. So it's showing here that you got to remove the little air cushion covers for it, and it's crystal clear, made in South Korea. Also, this is the slim fit design for the perfect grip. This is form fitted for your device, and it offers the perfect protection. This was manufactured in South Korea back in August. Interesting that they had these back in August, but we're just now really starting to see them. So let's take a look and see what comes in the box here. I really do like Spigen products. I've been using them for a long time on a wide range of different phones and devices, and they've always been really good. So let's see what we got. Nothing else in the box here. So this is just your typical packaging here. Now with these crystal clear cases, you really needs to have protection on there. So they've added this, clear tape on top of there, and it looks like they do have these nice pull strips to get it off. Should be real easy. Now when you're working with these clear cases, you gotta have your hands clean, and you do not want to touch the inside too much. How I'm kind of testing and seeing how rigid this is. It does feel really strong. It's not like super hard plastic, but this is like a next generation silicone here. They say it's got that anti-yellowing technology on there. So I am actually, when I'm done with this, I am going to leave this case out in the sun for some time, and I'm going to see if it does turn yellow or not. Let's try to go ahead and get this off. So when you're pulling this off, you just want to be extra careful. You do not touch the inside of this at all. So if you start touching it, you're going to see every little smudge and fingerprint on the inside. So we got this off now. I'm just going to lay the phone down in there. We'll get that on there nice and tight, and just roll it around on the edges. It'd be real easy to do. And I like these form-fitting ones without the adhesive tabs on there. Fits nice and tight on there. Looks really good. Just gonna go around and make sure all the corners are in there nice and tight. Then we'll pull this one off too. Look at that. It looks so nice already. Looks great. I really like the look of this. Now your phone's going to stay this clean all the time on the inside. Now over time it may get a little something in there once in a while. You may have to take it out and clean it, but it does look really good. I'm going to kind of try to zoom in here a little bit. Let's see how it fits on everything here. So you have the rockers on there. It looks really good. Now these have air cushions on the inside on the corner, so if it actually falls and it hits a corner, it's going to displace that air throughout the side there. It does have a nice Spigen logo. I like that. Nice etching in there. And as we can see, the camera does look really good on there too. It's recessed under there. So with this, you'll be able to fit your camera cover on there if you want. And then we also have some more etching here. Let's see, and it is etched in there. It's not going to wipe off. And this says air cushion technology. So that's what that air pocket is right there. And if it lands on there, it will disperse it. And you can still use your silent mode switch, nice and easy. You can use your volume up and down, works really good. And your power button over here works really good. Everything's perfectly lined up on this. I knew it would be. Spigen does a really good job. They pay attention to all the little tiny details. Now, I would like to see the type of grip this has. The grip is like super important for a lot of people. If it's real slippery and it doesn't have any grip to it, it's not going to be very good at all. So now let's see. I just always kind of do these little finger tests, and it's grabbing my fingers really good. Now when I just shake it, it's it's going to drop off, but it does seem I am holding my hand flat, and it is able to be gripped. On the sides, it grips really good on the sides too. So this silicone's not like super rubbery, but it does have grip to it. When you hold the phone, you can tell it's got some grip to it. So that is really nice. Now, as you can see, it is a fingerprint magnet. Look at that. Yeah, you're going to be wiping this off a lot, but it really does look really cool with the clear on there. This is a really popular case on Amazon, and it's fairly inexpensive for a case. And a Spigen case, so it's got good drop protection. It's going to be scratch resistant, and it really does look really good. I do want to check a few more things here. Let's see what we got. Try to take a closer look here. Camera's nice and clear. I don't see no obstructions there. Now I am going to check and see if this will lay flat. It does feel good all the way around. I don't see any issues with it. It does look really nice though. Let's see what it looks like laying flat. So when we have it flat, it does have some rock to it, and that's mostly due to the camera bump. We all pretty much knew that, and it does fit pretty flat on the table like this, just a little tiny bit, but it's pretty flat. I really have to work all the corners there to get any flex on there, but it does look really good. This is a beautiful case. And I am curious to see if it has that anti-yellowing technology. I will let y'all know in the chat. But I'm very happy with this case, and I think it looks great. Really shows off the colors of the iPhone really well. Well, this has been my review of the Ultra Hybrid from Spigen. So I really do appreciate all y'all watching and commenting. I really do enjoy the comments. But until next time, we'll see ya.